This video will demonstrate the use of Benetech's B-Dry, a unique solution to the problem of wet coal plugging chutes and transfer points. Coal with minimal surface moisture is a loose, free-flowing solid. Here we are using about 300 grams of subbituminous coal with a particle size of less than 2 centimeters. Such coal flows easily from one container to the other, leaving no residue. The handling systems of most power plants are designed to handle coal with low surface moisture. The situation changes significantly when moisture is added to the coal. In this demonstration, we are adding about 20% moisture. Observe how, as the coal wets, it becomes more difficult to mix. At a microscopic level, the surface tension of the water coating the coal particles is actually holding the particles together. Although this is a very weak adhesive force, magnified over millions of coal particles, it is sufficient to plug chutes, adhere to belts, and cause deratings or, in the worst case, take a plant offline. Remember, this effect is caused by liquid water on the surface of the coal particles. In contrast to the previous example, the coal has now become very difficult to transfer between the two containers. Where before all the coal easily moved from one beaker to another, now considerable effort is required. One significant rainstorm can cause these handling issues, and even in the best-run power plants, the result can be the loss of hundreds, even thousands of megawatt hours of generation capacity, or worse. Unfortunately, this is not a regular or predictable issue. At least, it's no more predictable than the weather. Benetech's solution is B-Dry. This dry granular powder is applied using an engineered system designed specifically for our customers' tonnage at or near the reclaim point. The application of Benetech's B-Dry at very low levels, frequently less than half a kilogram per metric ton, can completely reverse the effects of a heavy rainstorm. Benetech does not recommend that all coal be treated with Benetech's B-Dry. When the coal is dry, there is no reason to use this coal flow enhancer. Benetech offers this material as a tool to use when the coal becomes difficult to handle, typically after a heavy rainfall. Notice how the spatula and indeed the glass of the container are now clean where they have contacted the coal. Application of Benetech's B-Dry has returned the wet, sticky, cohesive coal to its initial free-flowing state. Benetech's B-Dry, when properly applied using a Benetech design metering system, will improve the handling of wet coal, preventing pluggage and belt fouling, and reducing or eliminating derating and outages due to heavy moisture. This engineered material is safe for boilers and the environment. It contains no heavy metals or sulfur and will not affect fouling, slagging, or emissions. It is not water soluble and has no aquatic toxicity. It cannot wash off the coal. Talk to a Benetech representative to learn more about Benetech's B-Dry and how it can keep you up and running at full capacity.